Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be making a food that is available on all streets of Karachi, and that is their special bun kabab. Today we're gonna be making Karachi street style bun kababs. For this, we will be needing buns, because the name says bun kabab. Okay, apart from that, we're gonna be needing 1 cup of mashed potatoes and 1 cup of mashed chana. These are boiled, they're not raw. For the spices, we're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of black seeds, also known as kalonji, 1 teaspoon of zira powder, and for the herbs or the greens, we're going to be needing 1 medium onion, which is cubed, 1 medium tomato, again cubed, 2 green chilies chopped, and a half cup of coriander. Okay, I'm gonna start by adding my boiled and mashed potatoes into this bowl over here. And then again, the boiled and mashed chana into this. Okay, there. And then I'm going to add in my spices. Just wanna push it down. Okay, so the kalonji, zira powder, salt, and paprika. Don't fall. Okay, now I'm just gonna mix this. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna come back here to the stove. And I'm going to take some oil and approximately 1 tablespoon I'm just going to put in here. And I'm going to put all of my vegetables except the coriander into this. Okay, and I'm just going to let the onions lightly brown. Onions are lightly browned, I'm going to add in our mashed potato and chana mixture into this. And I'm just going to mix this. While I was mixing this, I also put the bun for heating. And so I'm just going to bring this here now. Okay, and I'm going to add in the coriander. Okay. Now I'm just going to give this a patty shape for the bun. These 4 are done. I'm just going to take these back here. And I have this tub with oil already. I'm just going to pick them up and put them in. Okay, now these are done, I'm going to take some of the curry chutney. Just put it on there, and then take our kebab, place it, close it. I'm gonna do this with the rest. Oh wait, I forgot the onions. Okay, and some more green chutney. Why not more onions, you know? There. Okay, there you have it, your bun kabab. I'm gonna do this with the rest and I'll see you when they're done. Now these are done, iftar time is happening, I'm gonna eat these with my family. So I'll see you guys in my next video and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!